Love that fresh, flaky fish? Salmon's got you covered. It's not just delicious, it's packed with good stuff your body craves. We're talking real health benefits, people. Ready to dive into the world of salmon? Let's go. Salmon's one of the most popular fish out there, and for good reason. Its rich flavor and versatility make it a winner for any night of the week. But the real secret? It's a nutritional powerhouse. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Stick with me, and you'll be cooking up this superfood like a pro. First things first, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. Ever heard of those? They're like the superheroes of the nutrient world, fighting inflammation and boosting brain power. And guess what? Salmon is swimming with them. These omega-3s are linked to a whole bunch of health benefits, from a healthy heart to glowing skin. Eating salmon regularly can give your body the support it needs to thrive. Trust me, your heart will thank you for it. Now let's get cooking. There's nothing quite like the experience of grilling outdoors. The sizzle of the grill, the aroma of the food cooking, and the joy of being outside all come together to create a unique culinary adventure. Today, we're focusing on one of my all-time favorite dishes to grill: salmon. Grilling salmon not only enhances its natural flavors but also adds a smoky char that is simply irresistible. The direct heat cooks the fish quickly, locking in moisture and flavor. Whether you're a seasoned griller or a beginner, this method is straightforward and yields delicious results every time. This is what sets grilled salmon apart from other cooking methods. The slight crispiness of the skin combined with the tender, juicy flesh creates a perfect balance of textures and tastes. Trust me, once you try it, you'll be hooked. First, preheat that grill to medium-high heat. Get those flames going. This step is crucial because you want the grill to be hot enough to sear the salmon, creating those beautiful grill marks while ensuring the fish doesn't stick to the grates. A well-preheated grill also helps in achieving an even cook. Season your salmon with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Simplicity is key here. The natural flavors of the salmon are so good that you don't need to overdo it with seasonings. The salt enhances the fish's natural taste, the pepper adds a bit of heat, and the lemon juice provides a refreshing zing that complements the smoky flavor from the grill. Then, place the salmon skin side down on the grill and let it cook for about 4 to 6 minutes per side. This allows the skin to get crispy while the flesh cooks through. Be patient and resist the urge to move the fish around too much. Letting it sit undisturbed will help you achieve those perfect grill marks and prevent the fish from falling apart. You want those beautiful grill marks. They not only look impressive but also add to the flavor and texture of the salmon. The key is to let the grill do its job without too much interference. Once you see those marks, you'll know you're on the right track. Keep an eye on it though. Nobody likes dry salmon. Overcooking can ruin the texture and make the fish tough. Aim for a nice, flaky consistency. Use a timer if you need to, and remember that the salmon will continue to cook a bit even after you take it off the grill. So, err on the side of slightly underdone rather than overdone. Baking Bliss. Welcome to a delightful journey into the world of baking, where we transform simple ingredients into mouth-watering dishes. Prefer to keep things indoors? There's something incredibly comforting about cooking in the warmth of your own kitchen, especially when the weather outside is less than inviting. Baking salmon is another fantastic option. Not only is it a healthy choice, but it's also a versatile dish that can be paired with a variety of sides and sauces. It's incredibly easy and yields perfectly cooked fish every time. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, baking salmon is a foolproof method to impress your guests or simply enjoy a delicious meal. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 204 degrees Celsius for you metric folks. This ensures that your salmon cooks evenly and retains its moisture. Place the salmon in a baking dish and drizzle it with some olive oil. The olive oil not only adds a rich flavor but also helps to keep the fish moist during baking. Season it with salt, pepper, and any herbs you fancy. This is where you can get creative. Experiment with different spices and herbs to find your perfect combination. Rosemary and thyme work a treat. These herbs not only add a wonderful aroma but also enhance the flavor of the salmon, making it even more delectable. Pop it in the oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through. The fish should flake easily with a fork and have a beautiful, slightly crispy exterior. The best part? Minimal cleanup. With just one baking dish to wash, you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing pots and pans. Happy baking! Sizzling in the pan. Next up, the art of pan-searing salmon, a technique that not only saves time but also packs a punch of flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this method is sure to impress. Short on time? Pan-searing salmon is a quick and easy method that delivers big on flavor. It's perfect for those busy weeknights when you want a delicious meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Start by heating a drizzle of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. The key here is to get the oil hot enough so that it shimmers but not so hot that it smokes. You want that oil shimmering? This ensures that the salmon will sear beautifully, creating a deliciously crispy skin. Next, season the salmon generously with salt and pepper. Don't be afraid to use a good amount of seasoning. It enhances the natural flavors of the fish. Then, carefully place the salmon fillet skin side down in the hot pan. You'll hear that satisfying sizzle as the fish hits the oil. Let it sear for about 4 minutes, until the skin is nice and crispy. Resist the urge to move the fish around. Letting it sit undisturbed will give you that perfect sear. After 4 minutes, it's time to flip the salmon. Use a spatula to gently turn the fillet over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. This will ensure the fish is cooked through but still moist and tender. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked salmon fillet. Serve it with your favorite sides, and enjoy a restaurant-quality meal right at home. Happy cooking! Your salmon journey. So there you have it, 3 simple yet delicious ways to cook salmon. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these recipes will have you cooking up a storm in no time. Now it's your turn. How do you like to prepare your salmon? Share your favorite recipes and tips in the comments below. Let's create a salmon-loving community. Stay connected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more on superfoods. And, hey, if you're looking for even more incredible recipes, be sure to check out a cookbook, available now. Links are in the description. Happy cooking!